chair. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something most of us do every single day, often for hours on end. Sitting. You might be sitting right now watching this. But have you ever stopped to think about what all that sitting is doing to your body? It turns out, our comfy office chairs might be a bigger problem than we realize. Let's get right into it. When you're parked in a chair for a long time, your body's systems kind of go into slow motion. First up, your circulation takes a hit. Blood flow to your legs slows down, which can lead to swelling in your ankles and even increase the risk of serious issues like deep vein thrombosis. Your big calorie-burning muscles, like the ones in your legs and glutes, are basically switched off. This means your metabolism slows down, and your body's ability to regulate blood sugar and blood pressure isn't as efficient. Over time, this sedentary lifestyle can contribute to a whole host of health problems. We're talking about an increased risk of weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and certain cardiovascular diseases. It's not just about the big scary stuff either. Think about your posture. How are you sitting right now? Chances are, you're probably slouching a bit. We all do it. This puts a ton of strain on your neck, shoulders, and especially your lower back. That nagging back pain so many office workers complain about, prolonged sitting is a major culprit. It compresses the discs in your spine and can lead to chronic pain. Your hip flexors also get tight from being in that seated position, while your glutes can become weak from inactivity. This imbalance can mess with your stability and make you more prone to injury when you do get up and move. And it doesn't stop with your physical health. Studies have also linked a sedentary lifestyle to an increased risk of anxiety and depression. Less movement can mean less of those feel-good endorphins, and being stuck inside all day can take a toll on your mental well-being. It's a bit of a vicious cycle, right? Feel tired and a bit down, so you don't feel like moving, which in turn makes you feel even more sluggish. Okay, I know that all sounds pretty grim, but please don't panic and throw away your office chair. The good news is that it's actually pretty simple to counteract these effects. The key is to break up your sitting time. It's not about running a marathon during your lunch break. It's about incorporating small, consistent movements throughout your day. The easiest thing you can do is follow the 30-to-30 rule. For every 30 minutes you sit, stand up and move for 30 seconds to a minute. That's it. Set a timer on your phone or watch if you need a reminder. What can you do in that short break? Anything. You could stretch your arms over your head, do a few squats by your desk, march in place, or just walk to the kitchen to get a glass of water. These movement snacks are incredibly effective at waking up your muscles and getting your blood flowing again. If you have a bit more time, try to build longer walks into your day. Maybe you can take a 10-minute walk during your lunch break, or choose to take the stairs instead of the elevator. If you take phone calls for work, why not pace around the room while you talk? Every little bit of movement adds up. Think about your posture, too. Try to sit up straight with your shoulders back and your feet flat on the floor. Lumbar support pillow can also work wonders for your lower back. If you really want to level up, consider a standing desk. They allow you to easily switch between sitting and standing, which is ideal. You get the benefits of being on your feet without having to stand all day, which can also be tiring. Remember, the goal isn't to replace sitting with standing, but to have a healthy mix of sitting, standing, and moving. So, the main takeaway here is this: sitting itself isn't the enemy, but sitting uninterrupted for long periods is. Our bodies were designed to move, by making a conscious effort to interrupt your sitting time with short bursts of activity. You can significantly reduce the health risks and feel so much better, more energy, less pain, and a clearer mind. It's one of the simplest and most effective changes you can make for your long-term health. What are your favorite ways to break up the workday? Share your tips in the comments below. I'd love to read them. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. See you in the next one.